Welcome to this insightful video on 10 things people waste money on. In today's fast-paced consumer-driven world, it's easy to fall into spending habits that drain our finances without us even realizing it. In this eye-opening discussion, we will explore 10 common areas where people often waste their hard-earned money. By identifying these money traps and understanding the impact they have on our financial well-being, we can make informed decisions to curb wasteful spending and redirect our resources towards more meaningful endeavors. So, let's dive in and uncover the hidden culprits that might be eating away at your budget. Impulse purchases. People often spend money on items they don't truly need or haven't thoroughly thought through, driven by impulse or the desire for instant gratification. Buying a trendy clothing item on a whim that ends up sitting in the closet, rarely worn. Eating out and takeout. Dining at restaurants or ordering takeout frequently can quickly add up and become a significant drain on finances. Spending a large portion of monthly income on eating out at restaurants instead of cooking meals at home. Subscriptions and memberships. Subscribing to multiple streaming services, gym memberships, or other recurring subscriptions without fully utilizing them can be a waste of money. Paying for several streaming platforms but only regularly using one or two. Unused gym memberships. Committing to a gym membership but rarely or never going is a common way people waste money. Paying for a gym membership but only visiting a few times or not at all. Excessive alcohol and drinks. Spending significant amounts on alcoholic beverages, cocktails, or expensive coffee drinks can quickly drain one's budget. Regularly going out for drinks with friends and spending a substantial amount on cocktails or high-priced coffee beverages. Brand name products. Opting for brand name items when equally effective and less expensive alternatives are available can lead to unnecessary overspending. Purchasing high-end designer clothing instead of opting for affordable, quality alternatives. Gambling and lottery tickets. Engaging in gambling activities or regularly purchasing lottery tickets can result in significant financial losses over time. Consistently spending money on lottery tickets without winning any substantial prizes. Excessive shopping for entertainment. Using shopping as a form of entertainment or emotional coping mechanism can lead to overspending on unnecessary items. Going on shopping sprees as a way to feel better emotionally, resulting in accumulating items that aren't truly needed. Costly cell phone plans. Paying for extravagant cell phone plans with features and data allowances that exceed one's needs can be an unnecessary expense. Paying for an expensive cell phone plan with unlimited data when only a fraction of the data is used each month. Late fees and penalties. Neglecting to pay bills on time or violating terms of agreements can result in avoidable fees and penalties. Forgetting to pay credit card bills on time, incurring late fees and interest charges. It's important to be mindful of these spending habits and identify areas where money is being wasted. By making conscious choices and focusing on needs over wants, individuals can redirect their funds towards more meaningful goals and experiences. Congratulations on completing this eye-opening video on 10 things people waste money on. By recognizing these common pitfalls and taking proactive steps to avoid them, you're empowering yourself to make better financial choices and maximize the value of your hard-earned money. Remember, it's never too late to reassess your spending habits, prioritize your financial goals, and adopt a more mindful approach to your finances. Let's strive for financial freedom, make every dollar count, and pave the way towards a more secure and prosperous future. Thank you for watching, and here's to a future of smart financial decisions.